Morning, Scarlett. Ano pong gagawin na?
Something like this.
No, please. Ano po, ma'am? Natural brown?
This is my natural color. Yeah.
Tapos haircut ba? Pan-haircut ka?
No, but I do want curtain bangs.
Haircut.
And like that.
Like this?
Kasi sa mga white hair mo rin.
Gusto mo yan kay Sabrina Carpenter.
Sa cut
Do you have any other color peg aside from milk brown?
Ano siya nakapag?
What do you recommend?
Something lighter than that.
Ayaw mo na nga nakapag.
Anything lighter that
Mas gusto mo din ba
in your hair can achieve?
What?
Any lighter color, mas lighter than that.
Wala tayong
Mas maganda?
bangs, medyo babang sa front. Yung parang okay na sa'yo na ganun. Curtain
Would be
bangs.
much better.
Pero lang. So, ready ka na sa ganun.
There are always possibility to adjust the color. Whenever we didn't achieve the undercoat for that color. Are you okay with that?
To adjust it?
Color adjustment. Okay. So,
Pero hindi ba?
also we need treatment. So always recommended when highlighting hair.
Yes.
Always recommended to have a treatment. Keratin and protein treatment. We just put some bang like this. So, yung peg mo na milk tea in-adjust ko. In-adjust ko sa mas babagay sa'yo.
Okay.
Di ba? Lalo kang pumuti dyan sa color na. So, kailangan mo lang talaga alagaan ng sulfate-free shampoo and hair mask para ma-maintain mo yung malambot na texture and hindi agad siya mag-brassy. Sulfate-free.
Okay.
Para mag-last, kailangan tama nga aftercare.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.